Until now, we have only used the ERA 5 datasets in the toolbox. But in decision making, we often also want to see how the climate is expected to develop in the future. For this, the CDS has different datasets, like the CMIP5 and CORDEX data that we discussed before, and also sector-specific data. For this, the CDS has different datasets. For example, the CORDEX and CMIP5 data, but also sector-specific data, like the Arctic route, the water sector, and the agroclimatic indicators. In this lesson, we will continue with the agroclimatic indicators. When using this dataset in the toolbox, we need to specify different categories than with the ERA 5 data. For one, we need to choose a climate model. Of course, there are different variables because they are sector specific. We need to choose an experiment, and in this case also a temporal aggregation. And instead of selecting months and years, we're selecting 30-year periods. Luckily, the Show Toolbox Request button can help us define the data retrieval section of the toolbox. Now we are ready to use these data in the toolbox.